Hi, I'm Eric Mitchell, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Sedan Joiner Realtors. I'm happy to welcome you to 229 Piney Mountain Road. This amazing home was completely renovated and customized in 2017 with elegance and functionality in mind. The open floor plan allows for entertaining with room for all the family and some friends. The kitchen features a custom 11-foot butcher block top island made with 4x6 studs from the original part of the house. The counters are hand-stained and custom-stamped concrete. There's a hideaway mixing bowl shelf that swings to counter level when the baking gets serious. The master bedroom features 2 large walk-in closets and a large master bathroom with custom counters and dual vanity. Downstairs offers lots of potential to suit your needs. There's a separate entry door, so could be used as an in-law suite or even Airbnb rental. Outside, you'll find a fabulous resort-style pool and party deck that's spectacular as the sun sets over downtown Greenville. Thanks for visiting.